Before the opening bell, U.S. indices were mixed on a Monday. This as the Dow Jones continued to rebound and the SP500 and the Nasdaq, they were both under pressure. Now stocks over in retailing and diversified financials, they all traded lower. This while household and personal products, as well as healthcare and equipment services and tech hardware and equipment sectors, they all managed to gain some ground. On the economic docket, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Activity Index climbed to negative 6.3 in July. This all as a total of 57% of S&P 500 constituents, they managed to trade lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Beyond Meat reporting second quarter LPS of 24 cents on revenue of $67.3 million, put the stock tumbling in aftermarket trading as the company announced the commencement of an underwritten public offering of 3.25 million shares of common stock. Also, Dish Network unveiling second quarter EPS of 60 cents, up from 83 cents a year ago on revenue of $3.21. And this all as overseas Asian markets continue to trade mixed today. We had the Nikkei on the upside, 0.43%, the Hang Seng up 0.14%, China CSI 300, that is up 0.42%, and South Korea's Kospi up a total of 0.45%. European markets losing some ground, and U.S. futures pointing towards a negative open. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have a busy docket on the earnings front. We have Apple, MasterCard, Procter & Gamble, and Merck, just to name a few. While on the economic docket, we have at 8:30 in the morning, core PCE price index, as well as personal spending, personal income. Then over at 9 o'clock in the morning, we have the S&P Case-Shiller Home Prices Index, as well as the Consumer Confidence Read for the month of July. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin, and that's in focus as the downside prevails. The break below 30.1550 is a negative signal that has opened the path to 3,002. Short positions below 3,015.50 are favored, with targets at 3,002 and 29.97 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees a rising trendline support, and the Dow Jones that sees a consolidation in place.